0
كمان سيقول
صبوح
معلت أباي حفتي ليا كتنبو بالكونيا إتا تيب أو
تكبر
حديكم
كما يوعدكم يجبها الرتابة
كان يوعدكم يضب على المال كان حديكم أوه لا ليس هاي كان يوعدكم لما أنتي يا شوي لما أنتي تتهم أو بإنجليش ترجمة
تعالي بهاورد
بإنجليش ترجمة بترجمة كلامكم
بيجي إنجليش يا بيبي
بترجمة كلامكم The giving tree it had to him all.
It had to him all.
Once there was a tree. أنا حتى أمنيها and she loved the boy and then he showed the father and every day the boy would come كل شيء and he would gather her leaves and make them into crowns and play king of the forest.
Forest زفان زفان زفان
زفان and make them into crowns and play king of the forest. But he would climb up her trunk, so using a ladder and swing from her branches, and eat apples. And when he was tired, he would sleep in her shade. And the boy loved the tree. Tanisha would hide fatwa very much, but badly. And the tree was happy to but time went by. And the boy grew older. So when and the tree was often alone. Then the boy came to the tree. Come and swing from my branches, said the tree. Come, come جفري الزلال تتعارض لعطه أنا أبينه سند كنو أنا سند دلالو إلوا أنا سند يبني لعطه نعمو تصادني sure. Climb up my trunk and get my climb up my trunk and get my apples, said the tree. Not تصعنا نمو تفاح So the boy did. But the boy stayed away for a long time. It's an Easter with the wind
Leya
because it's anyhow. And the tree was sad. How about an Easter with the wind? نعم اشتريت نعم تسألني لعبته أنا سمعت لقد جبر على إنك تصاوت مسافر الوا I want I want a house to keep me warm. Hada gazak yidele ilwa. Gazalak no ilwa. No.
Baraha.
إذا برخانة تجزايله. مع أنفري كرة أمه شعور كجزاك تصرح تخليها. So the boy cut off her branches and carried them away. شعور تنيش تودو أريد تأم كيدو. And the tree was happy. تأمها حقوسا. هذا ما عملت تود تمارسه. The way حقن غيره قدم اللاس. انتهينا.
بينجزام ببيع.
When the boy but the boy stayed away for a long time, and when he came back, the tree was so happy she hardly could speak. بطعم تحقي سامسايا تودي نعم تتعرف مساي ياتو I'm too old and sad to play, said the boy. And this Ariga Hazine Iloha. Cut down my trunk and make a boat, said the tree, then you could sail away and be happy. Namo Korotsoch Amfere, Shirk, and Ishtager back to Sarah. So the boy cut her trunk, and the boat, and made a boat and sailed away. Kedu. And the tree was happy, but not really. And after a long time, the boy came back. I'm sorry, boy, said the tree. I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. My teeth are too weak for apples, said the boy. Anna,
John.
nothing fast can do. Snake it on you. Are you getting ilo? You cannot swing. My branches are gone, said the tree. You can't swing on them. أنا أرجع أنك مسافر كذلك قطعت. سلال كبد. كتسك على الناس خلينا هايلاطو. My trunk is gone, said the tree. You can't climb. I'm too tired to climb, said the boy. When Humpty was in quicker, I know Ferry Kiddy I don't need very much now. We have land in here, it's worthy. Just a quiet place to sit and rest. I'm very tired. Well, said she straightening herself up as much as she could. Oh, an old stump is good for sitting and resting. Come, boy, sit down and rest. I like coffee.
Oh, stop.
Stop.
Aparito. Do.
Stop.
Yeah, do.
Stop.
Do. Oh, stop. Anjali. Gundi.
Gundis boy coffee belly lato. Now, coffee belly lato. Harailu coffee and the boy did. And the tree was happy to Omhat Hagwisa. Toda. Ciao.
Ajinta jamat kila. خلاص كا
أبو خالد
لا عربية عربية روتان تجمعي يا هاي
أنا نيسي حفتان نتكلم
و
تجمع رأس تأبغان أدي خد قولون سات قولون يلا
برا روتان تجمع ليه تجمع
أنا خال تجمع هنا مالا تيسير بزح مش تحطت مش شراو أمود أتا بزح عيد لك كان مخناتهم تجدل خير جد تغير الكاب حجينا الآيسكريم كل نجار مش توصلني شو عمود أتا كحقوسه شو بزح عيد لينني والحتى عيد لينني بزح حجز كم يدل
برا نفات نفات ليه